Ey!
Oh.
Tama nyo! Mother talaga siya, no? Ey! Bumuga ang baby dragon!
What's up, everyone? It's me, yours to be Tree John Valencia, and I'm with...
Brian!
Welcome back to another Vertigo Reaction with...
Shoot na, Brian! Dali!
Diba? Ganon. May showdown tayo for today dahil panibagong...
Asap Divas Showdown!
Ay! Gulo! Nakuha mo na yung tono ko. Oo, dahil for today, another diva show. Di ba nag-react tayo?
Oo, yung mga
nakaraan?
matagal-tagal na.
Oo, tas eto, meron na naman silang bagong salang. For sino-sino ang mga diva sa mga panood natin na ating aabangan.
Ako sa sala. Sino kaya ipiprito? Sino kaya ipiprito for today's video? Maisa lang na yan.
May bago palang niluluto ang cooking show na po sila. Ganon, Brad, ano nga?
Ano pa nga bang iniling nyo sa amin, mga kapamilya? Let's go! Check this out!
Alright, Brad, dyan ang Asap Divas Showdown!
Bardagulan tayo na nga, mga kapamilya. Isa lang na natin yan. In 3, 2. Ay, kaba may nadagdag na mga patay yung mga screen. Lumalaki budget ng ASAP pa.
Ang
Ay,
Mariah
blandi na si si Clark.
Very Barbie siya dyan.
Oo. I'm trying to hold. Kabog. Kabog naman yung mga pailaw ng mga panig.
Ganda ng low tonic lang, no?
Ang ganda ng mukha ni Clang, te.
Ay, Nina!
Tayo ni Nina. Ayaw tayong slitan.
Pang Miss Supranational gown.
Pukot na si Mama.
40 to ni Nina.
Nina, true. Grabe naman yung hati ng dito ni Nina. Ay, buhok pala yung punyeta. Ganda nung may LED. Napatayo. Hey.
They can't take that away from me. No, can't take this precious love.
Buhay na buhay pa rin yung bangs ni Nina. Hindi gumagala. Lord, may guide me. Hey! Anything they want to say,
Try to bring me down, but I won't face the ground. I will rise steadily, sailing out of the reach of love.
Hey!
Try hard to make me feel. Told me to run over, refuse to
Hey!
Gusto ko yun.
Kabog.
Yung switching na yun.
Gusto ko yung lipstick ni Clang, no? Nude.
Truth.
Hey!
Oh.
Tain na nyo!
Nina still have it.
Nina's kapangyarihan ng bangs at ng slit. Kabog, tangina, galing.
So, ang ganda nung runs ni Iklang
Clang. Ay! Ayan na si Frenchie! Nagbabalik!
How can I just let you walk away?
Ina pang balakasan agad si Frenchie.
Against all odds.
True.
When I
Grabe yung ginaganda ni Frenchie, no? Saka yung pagkapayat niya, sobrang blooming.
You're the only
Ganda mo. Idol ko to eh. Pak! Ina kayo.
With facial expression.
How can you just let
Sino ka-partner niya? Si
Si Laika.
Laika.
Cause we've shared
Ganda rin ni Laika. Usap sampali. Nakakaloka. Ganda ni Bakla.
Ito ang glow up.
Iba nga yung glow nila, no?
Ay,
Kabog pa.
Take a look at me now. It's just an empty space.
Pa? Very mothering si Frenchie dyan, no?
To remind me, just a memory of your face. Take a look at me now.
Hey!
There's just
Alam mo, sounded Jessie J talaga siya.
Oo, true.
and you coming back to me. It's against the odds.
Meron siyang nasal na boses eh, no? Yung ganun.
Galing.
Pop!
I wish I could just make it
Turn around.
turn around and see me cry.
Eh! Alalay lang si Frenchie. Tingnan natin kung mabuga ang Mother Dragon.
That's why you're the only one who knew me at all. So take a look at me now. There's just an empty space. There's nothing left here to remind me. Just a
Tataas pa
memory
nila.
of your face. Take a look at me now.
Kino-control lang.
True. Nag-aantay ako, te. Yan na.
But to wait for you is all I can do. That's what I've gotta face.
Paos to kay Frenchie. Hey! Yan! Yan ang Mother Dragon. Hey! Taray niyo parang mother talaga siya, no? Hey! Bumuga ang baby dragon! Hey! Taina! Modeling lang talaga si Frenchie.
Ganda
no?
ng runs and high notes ni Laika dun, no?
Galing! Ganda!
Very nice.
Parang alalayan lang ni Frenchie, no? Eh! Gusto ko yun.
Ano to Through the Rain?
Ang ganda ng stage.
Ano?
I'll give up it. Sherry! Isa pa sa mga favorite ko, Day!
Dininos cut tayo ni Sherry.
True.
Thank God I found you.
Oo.
Saan nandito si Katrina?
Oo nga. Yan na nga, oh.
Ah,
Sino to,
Mayora.
Jonah? Ganda ng outfit ni Mama. Ang ganda ng gown.
Iba rin ang low notes niya.
Until you save my life.
Thank God I found you. I was lost without.
Without you, I'm overwhelmed with gratitude. 'Cause baby, I'm so thankful I found you. So thankful you came to me.
Eh! Pasok!
I guess it shows that we were destined to shine up to the rain to appreciate the gift of what we had. And I hope that we will to be able to feel this way.
Grabe, tas Jonah! Nakakaloka ka!
Ay, sila lang.
Ay, tapos na! Sayang, nakakabitin!
Walang masyadong highlight ang John at
Oo,
Sherry.
true. Found you, I was.
Lost without you, I'm overwhelmed with gratitude to you, baby. I'm so thankful.
Ah, sweet
Ganda!
lang ending. Kabog. There you have it, guys. That is As of Divas Showdown.
Nakakaloka, ang beat, nakakabitin, sakit sa puso.
Nakakabitin.
Ay!
Parang dapat nandyan din si Katrina. Si Yang, no?
Oo.
Kulang pa, pero yung kumbaga busog naman, pero
Gusto mo pa na panghimagas. Oo,
doon
yung
tayo
ganon.
nakulangan, nabitin tayo doon. Sa
Pero alam mo-
highlights ni Jonah at ni Shireen, wala masyadong
Oo.
highlights ang Mayora.
Ang gusto ko
this
yung
week.
kay yung kay Nina sa kay Clang kasi sobrang powerful. Tapos yung,
Yung
kay
dulo. Sa dulo
dulo.
ni Frenchie at ni Like.
Yung very mothering si Frenchie D kay Laika, no, nakakatuwa.
Ang ganda. At we're excited for the next Divas Showdown ng ASAP naman. Talaga binabalik na nila ang all girls.
Oo nga, no, for the all girls sila.
Oo, kaya naman. Next naman daw with Divas of the Queen daw.
Ay, hala! Hinalo! Ano to, te?
ASAP Divas of the Queen
daw.
daw. Oh,
Hala, sige, sige, te.
Showdown.
Bashable.
Kaya naman ka nag-enjoy kayo at gusto nyo din yan. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to Chulation Diaries. And subscribe and follow too.
Shoot ka, Brel, Facebook page, saka sa aking YouTube channel.
Once again, my name is John.
And my name is Brian.
This is Chulation Diaries. We'll see you in the vertical direction with...
Shoot ka, Brel!
Bye for now.